exquisite, accurate, landmark. Jacom Universal Remote Control I2L. Jacom I2L is a universal remote control which is designed for Apple device. It can simulate all traditional remote control like air conditioner, electric fan, smart lamp, stereo system, television, etc. Jacom I2L built-in dual-core infrared, equipped with a new super capacitance. The unique and integrative design of the LED rotary switch makes it convenient to use. You can open or close it by rotation. LED pilot lamp can show the state, so that no need plug in or pull out.